all, we would like to introduce ourselves. I am Jonalyn Bagapur Sumili
And I am Elma Acut
from BSHM 3 J1, and we make no-bake chocolate brownies with sprinkle and marshmallow. And also, we have the ingredients in our front. First, we have 1/2 cup of melted butter, and the second one is 1 cup of sugar, and the next is 2 eggs, and the next is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And also, we have dry ingredients. First, we have 3/4 of cup cocoa powder and unsalted. And the second one is 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. And the next is 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And the last one is 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And also, we have marshmallow and sprinkle that we're going to use for garnishing. The first step, we're going to combine the liquid ingredients. 1/2 cup of melted butter. And the next is 1 cup of sugar. And the next is 2 eggs. And the last one, liquid ingredient, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The last ingredients that we're going to mix is the dry ingredients. First, we have 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. And the next is 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. And the next is 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. After natin na-mix ang lahat ng ingredients, so ito na ating resulta. Pwede na natin ilagay sa ating baking pad kasama ang parchment paper. At matapos na rin tayong magawa ng brownies. Ito na ating dough ng brownies natin. So, the next step na gagawin natin ay i-heat natin tong large frying pan para dito natin lutuin ang ating brownies. Paglagay natin ng ating brownies dito sa large frying pan, ay kailangan natin ng stand pa. Ayan. Para hindi masunog ang ating brownies.
A few minutes later.
This is the result of our brownies. So, it's time for us to have a plating. So, let's watch this. This is our finished product. No-bake chocolate brownies with sprinkle and marshmallow.